I'm Lauren Espin, and you're listening to the Optimistic Outlook in 5. Today, we're talking about a major new partnership that has the potential to help shape the future of U.S. shipbuilding. Siemens and HD Hyundai have announced a long-term collaboration to establish an AI-powered digital shipyard. This collaboration is about much more than software. It reflects a growing recognition that America's ability to build the next generation of commercial and defense vessels will depend on how successfully the industry modernizes. For generations, American shipbuilding helped power economic growth, global trade, and national security. U.S. shipyards built the vessels that connected markets, sustained industrial communities, and enabled the country's maritime leadership. Over time, however, much of the world's commercial shipbuilding capacity migrated overseas, taking with it manufacturing scale, process expertise, and investment. Today, the United States builds less than 1% of the world's commercial ships. Recognizing the strategic importance of maritime capability, policymakers and industry leaders have increasingly focused on rebuilding domestic shipbuilding capacity, modernizing ports and logistics infrastructure, strengthening supply chains, and expanding workforce development initiatives. Against that backdrop, Siemens will serve as a key technology partner for HD Hyundai's next-generation shipbuilding and digitalization strategy. Together, the companies plan to accelerate the digital transformation of shipbuilding through a repeatable digital shipyard model powered by Siemens Accelerator, modernizing shipbuilding operations, improving industrial productivity, and strengthening U.S. maritime competitiveness. So, what exactly is a digital shipyard? The challenge facing American shipbuilding is not simply one of capacity. It is also a challenge of modernization. America needs shipyards capable of delivering commercial and defense vessels more efficiently, with greater quality and predictability. By combining HD Hyundai's shipbuilding expertise with Siemens' leadership in industrial AI, engineering, manufacturing, simulation, and operational software, the companies aim to help shipbuilders accelerate production readiness, improve quality, reduce rework, and create a connected digital thread across the entire shipbuilding lifecycle. This technology partnership also addresses one of shipbuilding's most significant challenges, its skilled labor shortage. According to recent McKinsey research, the U.S. maritime industry will require an additional 200,000 to 250,000 workers over the next decade to meet projected commercial and naval shipbuilding demand. Many shipyards already struggle to recruit skilled labor, while others face growing retirement-driven knowledge loss among experienced workers. By connecting engineering, planning, and production through a common digital thread, digital shipyards improve workforce productivity. Engineers can evaluate design alternatives in virtual environments before construction begins. Production teams can visualize workflows before implementation. Managers can make faster decisions using trusted operational data. The result is that every skilled professional, from naval architects to planners to production supervisors to welders, can spend more time designing and building and less time solving preventable problems. Perhaps most importantly, this partnership is designed to create a model that extends beyond a single shipyard. Siemens and HD Hyundai intend to jointly develop and commercialize scalable digital shipyard solutions adaptable to shipbuilders at various stages of digital maturity, from traditional shipyards seeking modernization to advanced naval and commercial programs seeking greater scale and efficiency. The companies also intend to jointly conduct shipyard modernization assessments, develop digital transformation roadmaps, identify pilot deployments, and create reusable digital shipyard offerings that can help accelerate modernization across the broader maritime industry. The modernization of U.S. shipbuilding will not happen overnight, but partnerships that combine proven shipbuilding expertise with advanced industrial technology create a compelling blueprint for what comes next. Because rebuilding American shipbuilding isn't simply about building more ships. It's about building a smarter, more connected industrial base, one that can compete, innovate, and lead for decades to come. Thanks for listening to the Optimistic Outlook in 5. Thank you for joining us on this episode of The Optimistic Outlook. Be sure to tune in for more conversations with leaders shaping technology for a better tomorrow. Please subscribe to The Optimistic Outlook wherever you listen to your podcasts, and be sure to share the podcast with a friend or colleague.